This video we're going to be doing a daily recap of what happened yesterday, as well as my daily analysis on all 6 of my pairs. Now let's get straight into it. So we left gold yesterday. I did say I wanted to come and break past this key level before me looking to enter the market to go long, which we did have a break, and we pulled back perfectly to our double bottom level where you could have looked for buying opportunities, okay? On the 5-minute time frame to get into these moves, targeting these lower key levels. And yeah, that was yesterday, so that played out perfectly. Okay, it could have went to the downside and we would have waited for a pullback to a key level again, but it chose to do the upside. Now EU, where did we leave EU yesterday? Okay, so I left EU in this bullish push, saying we were in longs, and we didn't really get a huge long playing out. We did get a Fibonacci pullback, which would have provided some great trading opportunities back to the highs, okay, and then eventually decided to come all the way back down, okay, probably taking your runner out at break even, okay. So that was EU, we were correct on that. Yeah, it did pull back majority of the day. Now AU, where did we leave AU? Okay, so that was another one that I was saying to buy. And why did I say to buy? Because this key level was in play, okay. We had a nice push up, we pulled back to a fib level, okay, in confluence with our key level break and retest, key level 1, sorry, and yeah, we rallied up from there. You could have looked for a 5-minute breaker structure, entering the market, and your TP would have been smashed. Now let's go and break down the next pair, which is USDJPY. And USDJPY, I said I'm not going to be looking to enter until these lows get breaking, because we were consolidating. I didn't really want to get involved. I did get that we were in a sell at the time, which we did fake out and break back in. Hence why, if it's consolidating, I'm just going to leave it alone, because you get a lot of fake outs. So yeah, it was good yesterday, USDJPY. There's not really a lot of trading opportunities. I wouldn't be trading at this time in the day anyway. But it was good. Now AUDJPY, we left this at a buy, okay, and then this structure, it did come back into this region, but it did close past. So it fake closed out and then decided to rally up in the correct direction. Now let's look at GBPJPY. This just looks horrible to me. We did leave this in a buy, okay, at this current structure level here, which we did get. We got a nice move. We had a pause pullback, giving you great trading opportunities on the 5-minute to 1-minute time frame to look to get into the market to target these key levels, okay. So that was GBPJPY. And now gold. So what am I looking at today? Okay, my daily analysis on gold. I'm clearly in a buy. You know, I'm just waiting for sort of this price action to just break either side. I'm not really too interested when it's this corrective structure. I want some sort of breakout, whichever way it wants to go, before I look for a pullback and get into the market in the correct direction. So gold, we're just waiting for a breakout on either side, and then we're waiting for a pullback to our key levels 1 or our double bottom level, okay, and then vice versa for a sell. It breaks to the downside, pulls back to a key level, and then you go for your sell. Okay, these are the highest probability opportunities. GBP, we'll go the other way. EU, so EU, what am I seeing? I'm seeing EU in this sell structure until this gets taken out. So potential reversals as of right now. It is London open. We could possibly fake out this way before flooding the market down. I will be very wary with this huge momentum candle. You know, they do tend to fake out or go the opposite way, but we're going to be patient, okay? I'd look for a 5-minute breaker structure before entering. If you're going to go for your sell, if that does print, and if you're going to go for a buy, I'd wait for this structure to get taken out and then go long on the pullback. So that is EU. AU is pretty similar to EU. You know, we're in this key level, potentially selling off as of right now. Now, things to bear in mind, we've broke minor levels like EU has as well. You know, so we have flooded down, probably taken out a lot of stop losses here before pushing the market up, but I'm not going to predict it. AU is in a sell for me until I get told otherwise, which is a close and break above this level. Now, what am I seeing for USDJPY? To me, this is clearly in a sell until this key level gets taken out. Potential shorting opportunities on a fib 705, so pull back into this region would be good. You know, it is consolidating. Price does like to pull back to consolidation before going in your direction, but I wouldn't predict that, okay? Because we have had a pullback to our golden zone, potentially 5 minutes selling off, okay? But we're going to be patient because 5 minutes is still in a buy. So that is USDJPY. I'm in a sell, okay, until it tells me otherwise, which is starting to do a mini uptrend right now. So we're going to see. AUJ, pretty similar to AU. Okay, I'm seeing this in a sell till this gets taken out because we're starting to break these minor structures, okay? So a good shorting opportunity would be into this region before finding a 5 minute to scale in and then flooding it all the way back down to the 62. So we're just going to bear that in mind, and if you're going to go for a buy, wait for this key level to get taken out and wait for a pullback before getting into the trades. Now this can be a pause pullback like this candle, or a true pullback, you know, like this candle, Fibonacci. Okay, so either one is very good, and that is a J. So GJ, you know, yet again, I'm in a sell. Really don't like how choppy this looks, all this movement. I mean, it is providing good trading opportunities, just trades with risk management and don't overtrade. That's what I recommend, especially in these volatile times. They do provide great trading opportunities, so be aggressive with risk management, okay? You don't need to be aggressive with risking all your account, because then you're going to be aggressive once, win a trade, do another trade, and you're losing, okay? So GJ, I'm in a sell till it tells me otherwise, and I think we are done for today. Yeah, that is it. So we're done for today. If you like these videos, I'm going to leave another video right above, and it's going to be my yesterday's daily analysis. So you can see what happened yesterday and then come back and see what exactly happened today. Now, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Peace.